everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile theme on Warpath Ace Shooter. Customizing your profile adds a personal touch to your gaming experience, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Warpath Ace Shooter game on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or avatar located in the top left corner of the screen. Once you do that, from your profile section, tap on the little brush icon at the top and you will then be able to open up the profile theme option. Go ahead and select a different theme and click on Acquire. If the theme is available, you will then be able to add it as your profile theme on your profile. In order to get certain themes, you need to participate in Champions Ascent event. If the event is available, you can simply tap on Go and that way you will be able to acquire profile theme on Warpath Ace Shooter. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.